Hello friends, we have learned how to use text and filter tools in our Fireworks. Now I am going to tell you how to use another tools, auto shape tool in our Fireworks. Now open Fireworks. Let's open an image. Go to auto shape. Let's take frame tool for editing our image. Drag the frame tool and drop on your image. It's automatically set the image background by the frame. We can set our texture using this pointer. You can see that different patterns. Let's take this. You can also change your pattern of your frame using pattern tool. There are some different patterns available in Fireworks. You can see the preview of the pattern tools. Let's take blue wave. You can set edges by using hard, anti-alias and feather. Anti-alias is the default edge. You can also select hard, feather and anti-alias. Let's take hard. You can set texture using texture tool. You can see the preview of different patterns available in Fireworks. After that, let's take thinking tool. Drag the tool on your image, then set the tool comparing to your image size. Now you can add text using text tool. You can see the final output. There are many auto shapes available in Fireworks. They are 3D box, animation, calendar, clock, cube, cylinder and etc. On the next tutorial, we will learn how to use stem clone, dodge, and many more tools. Thank you.